Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, your girl Ukwanele Bin, and I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I ain't got no doubt. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. So this is gonna be my haul of everything that I got. It is the 26th of December, and guys, this haul has been long overdue. Shame. Guys, I wanted to do this haul when I came back from shopping, but like things happened, so I'm gonna be giving you guys the haul now. Guys, what's this? Guys, I'll be in my... Okay, we are back. So first thing first that I got was this eyeliner, lip liner. Guys, a liner is a line, it's lines, whatever you want to line. I got this eyeliner. Yeah, I got this eyeliner, and then I got this. Guys, I already worn this outfit on the 25th. I wore this outfit on the 25th, and then just showing you guys because like I forgot to do that whole, well, not, yeah, I forgot guys, I forgot. But yeah, this, I got this crop top, this just simple white crop top from Mr. Price. Yeah, it says Miami 79 Miami. Yeah, got this.
And then I got this, one of my favorite pictures. I got this. Okay, I got this kit, this cargo skirt. It's a skirt, guys. I got this cargo skirt, and then it's open in the back, and then it has these sponge things. Yeah. And then I got the suitcase, guys, like a mini luggage, cause like I needed one, guys. Oh God, I needed one for my camps, because the bag that I was carrying going to the camps was slowly guys, why am I explaining this? Why? Why? And then, guys, I got these. I got these, guys. I got these. I think they're called heels. I don't know, guys. I got these from Mr. Price in a size 3. I don't know how much they weigh, because like I removed the price already. Haven't worn them though. But yeah, these are the shoes. Well, these are the shoes, you guys. So yeah, simple. And then I got these. I got these, guys. I got these. I got the Air Force. What is this called? Ones or? But yeah, I got these, guys. I got these. Yeah, I got these. Simple. Haven't worn them. I think I'm gonna wear these today, but I'm not sure if I'm going anywhere today. But yeah, I got these. Got these. Play size 3. And obviously, guys, you saw me getting this. I got the chopsticks. Yeah, got the chopstick for 25 rand. Yeah, how many in a pack? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 in a pack. I got these. Yeah, and then I got here, and then I got this dress, you guys. My life. Yo, guys, this dress. I got this dress. It's very short. It's above my knees. Yeah, it's above my knees. For this much. Yeah, I got that. This dress. And then, guys, this is not a me wearing the clothes haul. It is just a haul of me showing you guys everything that I got. You guys, I cannot find. Hey, man. Anyways, guys, I got this fish, guys. I don't know where the thing is, but yeah, I also got this lip plum, Charlotte Hill lip plum. Yeah, I got this lunch bag for next year for school, basically. And I got these socks. Yeah, I got these just random white school socks. I think it's, yeah, 3 pairs. And then I got this oversized t-shirt, graphic t-shirt that says, what does this thing say? Move forward. I don't know what does this say. Okay, but it says move forward. But yeah, got this very random at this price, guys. It's just ridiculous. But anyways, we move. And then I got this I got these, like they come in 2K. I got these at this price. And then yeah, I got these from Ackermans. Yeah. And then I got these jeans for, guys, let me show you the price now, and then I'm gonna show you that jean. This is like, okay, this was the price of the jeans, almost 300, but like 270 for these, guys. For these guys, for these cargo jeans. They have how many? Oh yeah, for these cargo jeans, guys. They're so cute, but like, you guys, have you ever put something and then regretted the purchase after purchasing it? Exactly how I feel, child. Exactly how I feel, guys. I'm asking myself, why did I buy this? But at the same time, it's fine. It's fine. Ish, guys, yeah, that's the rest of the haul, guys. Hope you enjoy. hope you are enjoying this video. So mwah. So today is the wait, I have to. Okay, so guys, today is the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day. And guys, look at this. My nails are not done. My hair, okay, at least my hair is done, but like guys, my lashes are not done. Guys, for me this December is just a mess. Don't even ask me questions. Ibo, guys, this December. Yayiqala into enjena. This is the worst, by far the worst December I ever had. Like, it's boring. Like, oh guys, I'm spending time with family. About guys, kuningi. But anyways, it's the morning of the 25th, and then like my mom is preparing food, like lunch and stuff. But yeah, so guys, I'm going to a house party today, my first house party. Guys, I'm so excited, but at the same time I'm not scared, I'm just excited. But like, I don't know guys, how am I feeling about the house party? I'm just like, I don't want to overthink it, but at the same time, it's my first house party, guys. Like, I am so surprised my mom let me go to it. So yeah guys, child, you're gonna be hanging out with me today, and then probably this vlog has to come out before the year ends, so it's gonna be like a last days of December. Oh guys, I'm almost done guys. Oh, my lashes look bad guys. This is my second time installing by myself, and this is like not a bad job, but it's not the perfect job that I wanted. But I'll fix it guys, maybe I'll fix it. But my eyes hurt, so I don't know if I'll fix it because my eyes hurt. But yeah guys, I'll show you the full outfit. guys guys hey guys, this is the by far the worst Christmas ever. Like, people guys, hey, my plans were ruined. Okay, like I didn't go to that Christmas house party, whatever. It's raining, people guys. People, but it's fine, it's fine, it's okay guys. Like, your girl is gonna make this day worth it. She's gonna make, like, she's gonna make it better, ne? Because it's not gonna be the best or anything, it's just gonna be better than what it is. It is what it is guys, but I look good. Oh guys, I'm gonna show you my full outfits, I don't know when, but like, yeah, love you. Hey guys, I've been talking a lot in this vlog, but I'm back home guys. The lighting guys is bad. Anyways guys, I'm back home, and guys, like, I didn't end up going to the house party, right? But guys, I made new friends. I made a gay friend again. Guys, I just love gay friends so much. Like, their personality guys is just out of this world. But yeah guys, it was not a bad day, but it was not a good day. It was an okay day, but like, yeah, I made new friends, hung out with some of my friends and stuff. So yeah guys, it was so nice. Yeah guys, so mwah. Guys, I want to remember this memory. Like, on this day I met my gay friend. Yeah, I want to remember that I met him on this day. That's why I'm recording this about. That's why I'm documenting this. And guys, look at my ring guys. Whoa guys, look at this guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you in like good light in a minute. Hebo guys, a lot happened today. A lot.